Today I have for you the My Pet Command pet clippers. And these, they work awesome. I've tried a lot of clippers with my doodle. So first off, I want to just point out on the box, it's going to tell you to check underneath the plastic, because underneath the plastic, they do include a nice sharp scissor and a nice metal comb for brushing through, combing through. You do get the user manual, that's also included. You do get the oil, and you also get the cleaning brush. And the cleaning brush is super helpful because when I was cutting, all these little hairs get stuck right in there. So I had to go and clean those all out. I also like to use it on the sides here to get these things out. This comes in handy a lot. And the oiling of the blades. You want to make sure that you do oil your blades. And then you do get the charger, and the charger plugs right in here at the bottom. You get 2.5 hours to a full charge. And then you get 3 hours of use time. I used it for an hour, and there's still plenty of life left in it. So it took me an hour to cut my dog with this. And as you'll see, I'll show you here in a minute, she was a complete hot mess. We didn't use a blade guard, which this does come with 2 blade guards, simply because my dog had a lot of mats and I had to get them out of her. So what I have on here to show you is the larger blade. But to change the blade, you're simply just going to press. That pops right off. And then the new one, you just set it in, presses in, super easy. And then these blade guards pop on really easily too. And what I really liked about these blade guards, even though I didn't need them this time, I will use them next time, is you've actually got 2 sizes on one clip. So instead of having 4 clips loose all around, I only have the 2. So really lets you cut your dog's hair like you need to. But let's go ahead. I'm going to show you what a hot mess Lola is, a big giant fur ball. I'll give you a little demo of the clippers in action and then show you her after picture.
She looks adorably floofy and cute, but there's a lot of mats, especially in those feet. So here we are cutting away, and I have to tell you, I was so impressed at how sharp the blades were that it easily cut through her fur. Even getting the mats and her feet out wasn't difficult. It was quiet, so it didn't make her nervous. Often her haircuts take 2 hours. This took an hour. That's how great this clipper worked. I really, really enjoyed it. Let's see how cute she looks now. I'm not a groomer, so it's not perfect, but she looks so much better.
So there you have it, the My Pet Command pet clippers. They work awesome. I highly recommend them. And thank you, My Pet Command, for sending me these to show you today.